Hello guys, welcome back to JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today we will talk about how we can uninstall the IntelliJ from the MacBook. So in the previous video we have already covered how we can install or uninstall the JDK from MacBook. So if you did not watch that video, please go through my channel and you can watch it in the JavaTCoding. Yeah, so it's already there, and other Java related video also there, so you can watch it here. These are the playlist, and so let me start firstly let me open the terminal. Let me zoom it a bit. Okay, so in the terminal, firstly for terminal, open the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so IntelliJ is already installed in my machine, so I am going to uninstall this. So let me close it here, go to the application first, finders, and the application. Here is the application. So here we can see the IntelliJ IDEA community CE. So just right click and move to the bin, and it is removed from here. And also we need to execute few commands to uninstall the IntelliJ completely. So these are the command that we need to execute to uninstall the IntelliJ IDEA completely. So let's run this command. Let's copy. I will provide these commands in the description, so you can use it from there. Okay, and so it's a terminal I already opened, and let me paste it. Let's execute it, and now I'll copy one more command and paste it here. And next command is logs related. So this first command is application related, cache related, log related preference. So these all we need to execute this command to remove the or uninstall the IntelliJ completely from the MacBook. So it's already removed reference thing by executing the other command. Just copy and paste. Okay, these are all application area we have already removed from the application, so it is showing no match found. Okay, now just let's verify whether it's uninstall or not. IntelliJ. So now it's not showing. It is showing like we need to download, and these are the commands. So actual setup is uninstalled the IntelliJ. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.